Can you state your name, please, Honor? Or can you have the gel unmute you?
He's not muted. Mr. Brown, can you please state your name?
David Edward Brown.
Thank you.
Good morning, Judge Washington. How are you?
Okay, Mr. Brown.
Good to see you.
We're here for a pretrial today. Mr. Brown got a bench warrant because he failed to appear on January 10th at 9 a.m. and then I did an adjournment
I believe I was in jail.
so he failed to appear on December 13th and then failed to appear on January 10th. And you think you were in jail on January 10th?
Yeah, I was in jail for the last 3 years, off and on.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm looking at JIS as well, trying to understand what was happening with this case, and that it appears as well that he has been incarcerated. At
When's the last time he went into custody?
appear in custody. 11/29. So it looks like he was in custody in November. And in November and December.
What?
Actually, I stayed there a couple of times.
I don't see anything. I don't see anything for the beginning of this year. But
we know he was in custody in December. We know he was in custody in November. But then on December 13th, he was no longer in custody, and so he didn't show up to court.
You're correct, Your Honor. My apologies. So we have discussed this a little bit. I need to see if Mr. Barnett has an offer for him, and I can speak with him further about Mr. Brown further about it, if he would accept it.
It sounds like he may have some jail credit. I mean, I would not be opposed to a plea with credit for time served if he has some.
Okay, that's what okay, thank you. If we could do that, would you want to do that, Mr. Brown?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Pardon me.
Okay. If we could do that today, Your Honor.
All right, so you're charged with trespass. That is a misdemeanor, carrying a maximum penalty of up to 90 days and or $100 fine. Is that correct?
I believe it is under the township ordinance, Your Honor.
Oh, that's weird, but okay. 90 days and up to $100 fine, plus court costs. My understanding is that if you were to plead today, the prosecutor has agreed, and I would also agree that he could get credit for time served and be done with this matter. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Brown?
Yeah, that's what it's for. I've several trespasses out there. I've been currently homeless.
So do you want to accept the offer or not, sir?
Yes, I would. Whatever. Yes, I don't know what it's for, but okay.
It's for trespass, which is what I just said to you, sir. And this is from the date of incident, which is what I would be explaining to you later. It's from May 5th of 2022 at the vicinity of 2934 Washington here in Ypsilanti Township.
Washington. Oh, in Ypsilanti? Is that Camelot?
Mr. Barnett, do you know if that's Camelot Apartments or Miss Jordan? I'm sure you probably, did anybody go over the report with him?
I have spoken to Mr. Brown, but he seems to be getting the locations confused. I told him that it was on Washtenaw, so I'm not sure. If I could get a breakout room with him, I could speak to him for a moment.
It could still be Camelot Apartments is off of Washtenaw. It still could be Camelot Apartments. It appears what? Oh, the police report would tell you whether it's Camelot Apartments or not.
It would, yeah, I'm trying to find that right now.
All right, I'm gonna pass it so she can talk to him. Do we have all our translators? Yes. Do we have all our translator cases lined up?
There's one that hasn't come in.
The court will call the case. All right, we're trying to get a translator. I'm gonna pass those until we get a translator. Court will call the case of the Ypsilanti Township versus Jacob Zedan, case number 23T00760.
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
Assistant Public Defender Deputy on behalf of Mr. Zayden. Mr. Zayden, could you state your name, sir?
Jacob Zedan.
All right, we're here for a pretrial today.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm going to be requesting one final adjournment in this matter. Mr. Zayden has completed an assessment with Matt Statman, and I'm currently waiting to receive the documentation on that.
No objection to that.
No. All right. I will grant the adjournment. Pretrial is adjourned to, I can do May 1st or I can do May 22nd. Those are the options at this time.
Your Honor, I would be fine with May 1st.
May 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. Bond is continued. Have a good day, Mr. Zedan.
You as well. Thank you.
Bye-bye. All right, thank you. Mr. Moon, will you please unmute your device? You're certified, ma'am?
Legal certified, yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Please raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony that you will translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do, Your Honor.
Thank you. If you could place your credentials on the record, please.
Yes, thank you very much for calling. This is Amalia, ID number 206624, and I'll be your Spanish interpreter. I'm proud to serve you.
All right, we're here for the final pretrial in this matter.
Estamos acá en cuanto a lo que es el juicio previo al juicio en este caso.
The court will call the case of Ypsilanti Township versus Julio Mariquin Castro, 23T00495.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. This is the case of which township? I'm sorry.
Ypsilanti Township versus Julio Mariquin Castro, 23T00495.
Thank you. Ese es el caso del municipio de Atlanti versus el señor Julio Marroquín Castro, caso 2-TST-00495.
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
Soy Paul Burnett de parte del municipio.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Julio Mariquin Castro.
Soy la abogada defensora de parte del señor Julio Marroquín Castro. Mi nombre es Sandra White.
Sir, if you could please unmute your device and state your name.
Señor, si puede quitar por favor el silencio de su micrófono y decir su nombre.
Buenos días, María. Mi nombre es Julio Joel Marroquín Castro.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Julio Joel Marroquín Castro.
My apologies, Your Honor. I did not know this was the final pretrial, but Mr. Mariquin Castro, I do apologize. Mr. Mariquin Castro did complete an assessment. I need to get a copy of that and send it to Mr. Barnett.
Perdón, su señoría, no sabía que esto era la comparecencia final previo al juicio. El señor Marroquín Castro acaba de completar una evaluación y me gustaría hacérsela llegar al señor Paul Burnett.
My hope is to get a better offer, so we are asking for an adjournment.
Mi esperanza es que puedan darle una mejor oferta, así que por favor solicito un aplazamiento.
No objection to the adjournment. I will leave it in the court's discretion.
No tengo ninguna objeción en cuanto al aplazamiento, dejaré que quede a discreción del tribunal.
February 7th, 2024, I said on the record it was the final adjournment.
Según el acta, el 7 de febrero del 2024, establecí que este iba a ser el último aplazamiento de previo al juicio.
At which time I adjourned it to March 6th, and then a stipulated order came in, and I granted one more adjournment.
Porque se hizo un aplazamiento que fue hecho para el 6 de marzo y después de eso yo volví a estipular otro más.
We'd be asking Your Honor to please consider another adjournment so that we can have that assessment.
Les suplico por favor, su señoría, que nos pueda conceder un aplazamiento más para poder hacer esa evaluación.
Has he spoken to the immigration attorney yet? Last time we adjourned it for him to speak to an immigration attorney by stipend order.
Ya pude hablar con el abogado migratorio porque la última vez que hicimos un aplazamiento también se solicitó ese espacio para que pudiera contactar al abogado migratorio.
No, and that has been scheduled.
Oh, Your Honor, I'm sorry, I don't think I was able to hear the attorney. May you be so kind to ask her to repeat that, please?
No, and it has been scheduled.
Thank you. No, todavía no, pero ha sido programado.
This is scheduled for.
Y
It's supposed- I'm sorry,
eso para cuando está programado,
tomorrow.
para mañana.
May 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m.
Se programa para el 24 de mayo a las 9 de la mañana, perdón, 22 de mayo a las 9 de la mañana.
On this continues.
Y la fianza se descontinúa.
Have a good day, Mr. Miracle Castro.
Que tenga buen día, señor Marroquín Castro.
Gracias. Igual.
Thank you, likewise, Your Honor.
We have another case for you, Ms. Amalia.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ypsilanti Township versus Angela Martinez, case number 23W002823.
Este es el caso del condado de Ypsilanti versus la señora Ángela. El caso 23W002823.